Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, we will discuss about how to apply for a job at Sierra Company. Let's jump into the video. Step 1, open your browser and search for any search engine like Google, yeah, or anything look differ. And then I have opened Google, and from here on, I am going to enter Sierra Company. So once I search in such Sierra Company, I'll get the details like this. So what is the company about and everything. So this is a IVR testing tool company, product-based company. And I'm going to open its website. So for any company, for oral service of the companies, the Career portal would be available. Right? I'm going to scroll down. So you see here under about a section, you are able to see something called carriage. I just clicked on terrace. We got this page. Let's click on see open rules. So once I clicked on see open rules, I got all these details. So there are nothing more uh, details to filters the jobs, like options to filter the jobs. But I can see straightforward jobs. Like, for example, there are jobs in customer success department, customer support, engineering, finance, IT, marketing, professional services, sales, solutions architect, and value engineering. And for every job, there is a location as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open any one of the job. Let me select IT support specialist. So once I open the job, I got job details like this. So basically, the position is IT support. It is in high government location and hybrid work type in what the company is. And this is all about the company. What does company do? What is its product? What are its services? Everything would be defined here. And these are the company values. And we are more interested in this one. You will be more responsible for this details. So if you're applying for any job in this company, you will be saying something called you will be responsible for or responsibilities of the job. You need to read them. So if you're aligned with that, you are more than happy to apply to the job. And these are the skill set that they're looking for. So what kind of person they're looking at to help accommodate this role, you can get all these details here. And then this is just a disclaimer. We did not to pay any money to any job in Sierra Compute. And once you read everything, you just need to click on apply for the job. Once you click on apply for the job, there are multiple options. Like you can apply to the job using LinkedIn or you can attach your resume. And all these details you need to enter. So let's try apply for a job. We are going to CV. To keep your resume in handy lies whenever you're applying for a job. I just uploaded my CV, and I'm gonna enter all the star margherita Elsonian. What are your expectations of the salary and what is your current salary? It would help them to determine whether they want to interview you or not. We need to add these details everywhere. And I don't say anything mandatory in the background survey, but it's asking. So we need to select under the drop down Millie works interview. Okay, if you see, we got that acknowledgement as well that we have applied for the job. Let's see the email inbox as well. You see, we have recent and acknowledgement through email as well. So this is like successful job application for this job, right? So keeping that aside, let's discover about salary part as well. I did some estimations using IT support role. So I got all these details. For if you see here, for example, if you're applying for associate engineer, UA associate, you can expect salary like 4.5 LPA for 0 years of experience, or else like for a fresher. But with years of experience, you can expect it 8.5 LPA and median salary 6.5 LPA. So this is the figure I recommend you to demand when you are applying for this. If you are beyond this or close to this, you can demand higher salary as well. And for example, we have applied for IT support specialist role, right? We can assume in this state. So let's say this person, I mean, this role is for 3 years of experience. But for fresher, the salary would be 3.5 LPA. For 4 years, the salary would be 7.5 LPA. And the median salary is 5 LPA. So what I recommend is, if you're applying for the job, I recommend you to demand for 7.5 LPA salary. So in this way, you can demand the salaries and within like a salary structure. So what I recommend you here is, I recommend you pass this video and take a look at the screenshot and apply for the jobs, or else you'll get some idea on it. And the lowest salary in this company is 3.5 will pay a Friday support specialist, and the highest salary for senior vice president with 1.8 CR plus salary. Whereas for 20 years of experience, you can expect around 1.2 CR. For 30 years of experience, you can expect around 1.6 CR. So this is the package in this company, guys. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. It's any employee from CRI watching this video. Do let us know the salary part and the company review so that it will help the job seekers. That's it for this video, guys. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for more job you like and information. Thank you and have a great